Hello friends, today we will talk about Stashfin Loan app, so keep watching this video till the end. Please subscribe my channel Kyan Matra. Just enter a few pieces of information for a real-time decision regarding your personal loan. There are so many things in life that we have to wait for: waiting in line to get cash from ATM, waiting in line to take the bus/metro, and the list is endless. With our state-of-the-art system, there's no waiting, just put your information and get a decision in minutes. How does it works? Apply online. Fill an easy online application form for a personal loan, while providing your personal, professional, and banking information to us. It takes 5 minutes to complete the form, and our credit officers can access your application within minutes. KYC Documents. Our executives will collect your self-attested KYC documents and PDCs for the applied personal loans formalities. Get your money, all is done, and you will receive your personal loan in your bank account. No hidden fee, no upfront, exactly what you will owe with respect to your personal loan, with no hidden costs and low processing fee. When you get a deal this good, you may become worried about hidden charges, but we assure you, the deal is actually this good. The trust of our customers is paramount for us, and so we would never dare to apply any hidden charges.